Okay, good morning. We are back. I haven't been on a bike ride for a while, so it's nice to be back. Today I'm in LaVergne, Tennessee on the LaVergne Greenway, and it looks like it's currently 9:01. It's 78 degrees, so it's definitely a summer day, and it's not as hot as it has been because we've had some very severe heat in the last couple weeks, but that's subsided a little bit. So I'm back out here on the bike trail. Today's ride is 4.2 miles. Let me get you a preview of the trail. Been here before many years ago. Basically, it's just a straight and back. Uh, go all the way down and then come back. And this borders against the neighborhood, which is really nice for them. Maybe one day I'll come back and just ride through the neighborhood. But basically, it's just the forest is to your left the whole time, so when you get to the end of it, you've got a nice lake view you can see. So, been here before. I remember it was pretty nice, pretty easy, and then you get a nice view on it. So, I'm going to get ready, and I'll see you here in just a moment. We'll get started on the LaVergne Greenway bike ride. It's kind of crazy because I have no idea what this building is. I'll have to look that up when I get back home. It's just kind of here. I went to the other side of it and it's all locked up. So, this is all part of the adventure. SIB. No idea what it is.
You know, once again, it says there's a trail here, right? But there's not. Because I went away, I came back over here, and you see where I'm at now? No trail there. So I'm just going to go back where I was. It looks like it will intersect with it right there. So these are some good fishing spots here. The one I just stopped at was a fishing spot, but I didn't put him in my video, of course. Well, intentionally anyway. It's real pretty. Part of the Percy Priest Lake system. Well, not surprisingly, I went further than I'm supposed to. So, see me? Way up here. I'm just loving this trail here. I love going off the actual pavement. So apparently, I should have stopped right here. So I'm going to go back, check and see where I'm at. And then I'll just, basically I'm just going to keep going back, but I'll check it anyway. So here's to heading back. Okay, so I'll finish this one. Sorry you're gonna hear some traffic. I'm right near a road, but I'm sitting in the back of my kicks recording it. Okay, so unfortunately I didn't, I had to hit pause to take a break, get my helmet figured out. I didn't resume. So actually I went the 4.2 miles. I think I actually went more because I went off the path a little bit. So I would say that I did 4.3 miles, and since I started the first video at 9:05, it took me an hour because it's 10:05 Central Time right now. Let's see, recap again. It's a little off because basically you see me go all the way down, and I go a little further than what the map said. I want to say it's right about, I stopped there and I kept on going. At some point I realized, oh wait, probably need to go back. But yeah, I just kind of kept on going. But, and it says 2.5 miles, but I went further than that. I just decided I would just keep rolling. But that was weird. It had me going a real long way. Anyway, so finish it in about an hour. It's 81 now. Still not terribly hot, but of course you get sweaty doing this stuff. But overall, it's a nice bike ride. And I would definitely come back and do it again because I really like going off the paved trail and get into the woodsy part, which is, I always have to try to take that slower because you just never know. You don't want to hit a rock or a tree stump or something like that, because this is about as close to mountain biking as I'm going to get. So I have a lot of respect for those people that do, because you can certainly get hurt, and I'm just too old for that at this point. Anyway, great ride here in LaVergne, Tennessee. So I'm going to wrap it up, and hopefully I'll see you soon on another one. Have a great day.